can't want to eat up everything out of the country all at one time. Give your mouth a rest. You stop and get the coconut man. All always stop and get that. Alright? You ask the coconut man for ox out the coconut, you can eat it after you drink the water, because according to you, you want the coconut water to wash off your heart, because apparently water can't wash off your heart. The coconut water, my friend, can't wash off your heart.
Is her outfit appropriate for school or not?
Teacher made neighbor.
On the other side.
Right here. This ain't
I will say it in my deathbed. I did not touch that woman. I did not touch that girl. I didn't lay my hands on that girl. And with that being said,
another one again.
Yes, it feels good.
Lucy! Let me tell you, you warm my heart. I appreciate the outpouring of support. I love you. I love the labor rights who are gathered here. I love the PNP who are gathered here.
Hey, a rough like what I see, no man. Cloud the rough like what I see. May I tell you, say, the girl them make it work, make it bad too, because the man them say if them ask a girl say, yo, what your favorite show or what your favorite movie, the first thing them gonna say is that them not even have a favorite show because them can't even pay them Netflix bill. Yo, no, I have to go easy, man. I have to go easy. I get from bad to worse.
You think I'm Mick Jagger? Oh, you're rampy. I'm my girl, you're mad me.
At the day, but it's serious.
Bad girl deep queen, I'm going to tell you about it. You don't know me, I big up Slick 44. Music news loud. I'm going to tell you about it.
DJ Slick.
Anything but Monday.
It's serious.
Watch him.
DJ Slick.
Remember to like, share, subscribe.
He becomes the first leader of the 82-year-old Jamaica Labour Party to be given a third mandate by the Jamaican people. He's only the second Jamaican Prime Minister to achieve the feat, drawing level with P.J. Patterson's achievement sealed in the 2002 general election. Dr. Holness and Patterson also share the distinction of being sworn in as Prime Minister 4 times. Like Patterson in 1992, who was sworn in after Michael Manley retired, Dr. Holness was sworn in for the first time in 2011 when Bruce Golding resigned. Elected to Parliament for the first time in 1997, Dr. Holness represented the people of West Central St. Andrew for 6 consecutive terms. On Wednesday, he secured a 7th term in the seat and his 3rd as Prime Minister. Dr. Holness is unique in that he beat Portia Simpson-Miller in 2016, Dr. Peter Phillips in 2020, and now Mark Golding in 2025. No other party leader has beaten as many different rivals. All 3 of P.J. Patterson's election wins came at the expense of Edward Seaga. For the 2025 general election, Dr. Holness battled 2 years of incessant, coordinated personal attacks. The PNP sought to cause serious damage to Dr. Holness's integrity, but even more people saw the attacks as a cynical attempt, aided and abetted by certain state actors, to discredit a man who embodied the Jamaican dream. For the record, not a single allegation against the Prime Minister has been proven. Despite what can be dubbed as campaign discredit integrity, Holness soldiered on, focused on drawing the attention of the Jamaican people to the achievements of his administration since 2016. Driving across the island on a punishing schedule, Dr. Holness spoke of water, he spoke of roads, housing, and the economy. He also spoke about how much his administration has done to reduce major crime and the fear of crime. The result on Wednesday proves the messages resonated. Armed with a 3rd mandate, Dr. Holness can stand taller than his 6'2" height. He has survived the anti-incumbency wave that has swept several world leaders from office since the COVID pandemic. Dr. Holness presented a simple choice to the Jamaican people ahead of Wednesday's election: performance or promises. The Prime Minister and his governing JLP also asked the voters to choose Jamaica. Based on the results, Jamaicans have chosen performance and have chosen Jamaica. With those choices, they have added texture, depth and several more paragraphs to chapter Andrew Holness in the book about Jamaica. George Davis for Nationwide News.
The personalities, they forget that they are human beings with feelings and emotions and they can be objectified. It's very difficult, but I want to thank my family here and abroad and all over who have withstood a tremendous onslaught, but they never gave up on me or on the people of Jamaica. This government, in our third term, must be laser focused on ensuring that there is prosperity for all Jamaicans. And just to be clear, prosperity doesn't mean riches. For some people, prosperity means peace. They want to live in peace. For some people, prosperity may mean their children getting to university. For some people, prosperity is a car. For others, it is a house. But for most people, it is the road fixed in their community and water in their pipes. And so, we must be focused on delivering these basic public services, which means prosperity for so many. But Jamaica is more than that. Jamaica is a potential to be realized. And for decades, we have underperformed. The story of Jamaica is that we have done so much as a country, but we could have done so much more.
Well, I'm overjoyed. I'm feeling satisfied and accomplished that, the correct results have been certified now. I always knew I'm the winner. It was just a matter of time.
Excellent. And what's the plan for Kingston Central going forward?
Lots of plans. Lots coming.
Yeah, Mr. Williams, this was a very controversial campaign in terms of Central Kingston. A lot has been going on in this campaign, but is it worth it now that you've finally come out on top?
Well, of course, I had no doubts. We were serving the people, and our track record is very good. We did a lot of work. The representation was excellent in my view. People said I was very responsive, and as you can see from the support here, the people are endorsing that. And so I had no doubt that this seat would go back to the Jamaica Labour Party.
Right, and are you
even by the 12 margin win, you had no doubt that
I knew something was wrong on the night, definitely.
Including getting this group together.
Thank you, Bill. That's very nice.
I want to thank you for including me this evening. It's incredible to be among everyone here, particularly you and the First Lady. I've always enjoyed having dinner and interacting.
AI is going to change everything. You hear all of us saying that. But the fact that you are our president and you recognize this right away and you've unleashed American innovation and creativity.
Echo the comments of Tim and others. Thank you so much for getting us all together, and thank you for being such a pro-business, pro-innovation president. It's a very refreshing change.
I think it's a real incredible inflection point right now in AI. The fact that your administration is supporting our companies instead of fighting with them.
We look forward to working together, and thanks for your leadership.
Great job you're doing. Incredible, really, job. Would anybody like to say anything? You have a lot of geniuses on my right.
Well, thanks for hosting us. I mean, this is quite a group to get together, and I think all of the companies here are making huge investments in the country in order to build out data centers and infrastructure to power the next wave of innovation. So it's we don't often get together as the CEOs of the different companies, but it's good to see everyone.
Let me add that. Okay. So first thing first, I want to thank my lawyers. I want to thank the jurors. I want to thank the judge, and I want to thank the respectful press. I really, really appreciate that, and I want to thank everybody at home supporting me. I know you guys having a little key with the moment, but to be honest with you, I have missed my kids' first day of school today. I missed my kids' last week of school yesterday because of this, and I'm not even playing around. I will, even if I'm in my deathbed, I swear to God, I will say it in my deathbed. I did not touch that woman. I did not touch that girl. I didn't lay my hands on that girl. And with that being said, this time around, I'm going to be nice. The next person to try to do a frivolous lawsuit against me, I'm going to countersue. And I'm going to make you pay. Because this is not okay. I think people have like this misinterpretations of celebrities. Like it's like, oh, well, we could ask for this and they're going to settle. You don't work at home and you don't work all day and you don't work for your money to give out your money. So don't ever think that I'm just going to give you my money that I work hard for. I don't lay in bed all day. I work all day and I work hard for my money, for my kids and for people I take care of. So don't you ever think that you're going to sue me and I'm just going to settle and just give me my money. It's not going to happen. I do also want fans at home, though, not to find their social media, her family's social media, her social media, and bother her. I hope that this is something that I leave behind, that she leave behind. Don't go bother her. Don't be talking about her. Don't be talking about how she look. Don't call her no nasty names. Let's just put this behind. But I'm giving a warning. I am not that celeb that you're going to sue and you think it's going to settle. I'm not going to settle, especially when I'm super completely innocent. I know I got a little reputation, but I swear to God I'm innocent. I swear to God, like this, like I'm really innocent for real. And I just want to say thank you, everybody. It's been really tough. It's been really long nights for me. I'm in the middle of album rollout, so it's been late nights and early 5:30 in the morning. I gotta get up 5:30 so I can look like this for y'all. Muchas gracias para toda mi gente latina que me están soportando y vinieron toda la mañana. Ustedes se ven bien maquillada, pelo, cuerpo bonito, y vinieron para acá para
5 días.
Show me support. 5 días. Y los hombres también.
Una peluca diferente.
Una peluca diferente. I'm telling you guys, when I say that my forehead is raw from changing all these wigs, raw. And yeah, thank you for the witnesses and thank you for everybody that just took their time to come out here.
Good morning, Jamaicans. Good evening, good night, wherever you are. Jamaicans visiting from abroad. Step to the front. Good mouth a rest. Give your mouth a rest. You just land. You can't want to eat up everything out of the country all at one time. Give your mouth a rest. You stop and get the coconut man. I'll always stop and get that. Alright? You ask the coconut man for ox out the coconut so you can eat it after you drink the water, because according to you, you want the coconut water to wash off your heart, because apparently water can't wash off your heart of it. The coconut water, my friend, can't wash off your heart. Only the one name in Jamaica. Then, remember somebody carry 2 party, you know. Because you say, yo, make sure time I come pick you up, you must bring 2 party. And you're into Kingston, you want to know if the crab man still a sell crab right at the roundabout right there. So, oh my God, we could get 2 crab. Jesus have mercy, before you can get the crab and the guinea man a pass, you want want 2 bunch of guinea because, oh my God, you know, long me not eat the guinea. It is called colic. You cannot eat so much things at one time. Jamaicans visiting from abroad, give your mouth a rest. By the time we go in the car, that is you asking me about KFC. Are you taking the line long? The line is always long. All right, we could just stop and get the KFC right now. Before you don't eat the 2 KFC piece of chicken, then that is the red box donut, man, that you want to know. You know what? We could just get the red box donut. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. That donut came from underneath the man bed because the donut place not open yet. How much things you can eat one time? Jamaicans visiting from abroad, me are asking you do. Eat one at a time. It is called colic. In the evening, you want to go down Elsha, you want to go Yasa, you want to go say, eat only day one. How much things can you eat in one day? Give your mouth a rest. You already go far and come back down 2 times. It says, Jamaicans visiting from abroad, give your mouth a rest. Have a good day, Jamaica.
If you can't understand that, I don't know what to tell you. Yeah.
You think I'm Mick Jagger? Oh, you're ramp with. I'm my girl, you're mad me.
At the day, much it's serious.
Bad girl, deep queen, I'm going to tell you about it. You don't know me, I big up Slick 44. Music news loud. I'm going to tell you about it. DJ Slick.
Anything but Monday.
It's serious.
Watch him.
DJ Slick.
Remember to like, share, subscribe.